Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make lemon cheesecake. First, ensure your cream cheese is at room temperature for a smooth batter. You'll need about 2 pounds of cream cheese, 1 cup of sugar, and the zest and juice of 2 to 3 fresh lemons. Begin by preparing your graham cracker crust, mixing about 1 1/2 cups of crumbs with 1/4 cup of melted butter. Press this mixture evenly into a 9-inch springform pan. Next, let's create that vibrant lemon filling. In a large bowl, beat your softened cream cheese until it's wonderfully smooth and lump-free. Gradually add the sugar, then the bright lemon zest and fresh lemon juice, mixing until just combined. Finally, gently beat in the eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. This prevents overmixing and keeps your cheesecake light. For a perfectly creamy cheesecake, baking in a water bath is key. Place your springform pan, wrapped in foil, into a larger roasting pan. Pour hot water into the roasting pan, reaching about 1 inch up the sides of the cheesecake pan. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 60 to 75 minutes. Once baked, turn off the oven and let it cool slowly inside for 1 hour before refrigerating for at least 4 hours. Now for the delightful finishing touches. Once your lemon cheesecake is thoroughly chilled, carefully remove it from the springform pan. You can garnish it beautifully with fresh lemon slices, a sprinkle of lemon zest, or even a few fresh berries. For an extra touch of indulgence, add a dollop of homemade whipped cream. Slice and serve this refreshing dessert, enjoying every zesty, creamy bite.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.